Welcome everybody. Today we've got Tux from the GoBots Renegade, one of the bad guys, based on obviously the Rolls Royce. Looks like a stretched out Rolls Royce too. Let's see, trying to remember how we get going. I think pulled, no. And he got rubber tires, and they are all actually here. Unusual for me on these things. It looks like they should go. Ah, yeah, they go out. Get them to break free, they'll go out. Yeah, that one. There he goes. Nice. Okay, all right. Oh, there's his legs. Pop his arms out. Flip the grill down. That's sort of his belt, and then I think, pretty sure you push up on his arms, and that should make his head come up, or not. I think it's supposed to. Okay. So maybe push down on something. No, it's supposed to come up. It's like they hadn't been used in forever. Let's see. I've got. What do I do with it? Alright, that's what I got. If I can get it to. Alright, let's see if I can get in there and. Okay, there it goes. It's just, they just hadn't been used in so long. There, his head. Focus on it. Well, got his top hat. There's sort of a little bit of details on his face there. But you know, I say he was one of the bad guys, a renegade. I was about to knock his tires off. But let's see if he goes. I think just goes back in any better shape than he did. Well, I can push down on his head on this part, so that makes it easier. And flip you around. You guys in. Grill down. Oh, you. Alright. Alright. And we're back to vehicle form. Oh, didn't line those up just right. And okay. You know, pretty good vehicle form actually, I think, considering, you know, the age of the product. Let's see here. They're just sticking together in that seam. That's why I'm having trouble. Okay, so. Okay. See if this works out any better this time. Yeah, much better. Just break everything free to make it work. And he does stand up. Okay. But anyway, there's Tux. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.